I worked in a company where salaries were delayed repeatedly and it affected my mental health and housing stability and left me in a state that made me completely miserable. And the audacity of these people to call my family and threaten me for putting up the video, in which, by the way, I didn't expose them. Not that I couldn't, but मेरे में थोड़ी शर्म अभी भी है जो उनमें बिल्कुल नहीं है. I am 24 years old and they have more than 24 years of experience in this industry, and they tell my family that they will file defamation case against me and ruin my career and reputation for life. I mean, they can do everything, all this, but pay my salary. And along with me, honestly, there are others who are getting threats as well just because they are too asking for their salaries from months. As an employee or a fresher, all you can do is request, beg, plead, and in return, they just threat. This period has been really tough for me and my family, and these owners have just been very toxic and unrealistic. While this is not just about me, it's about all of you. Once and for all, everyone has to go through this phase. So, what you should be doing in such matters? First, please get rid of this job at its earliest. The more you stay, the more it's going to become harder. Staying unemployed is better than being in such a disaster. Secondly, make sure your documentation is complete. You have proper offer letters, your salary statements, maybe your attendance if possible. Thirdly, any obscene things that you witnessed during your tenure, please make sure you take a record of them. Never miss an opportunity, stay alert and beware. Last but not the least, if you are hired for something, stay relevant to your post. If the job role has not been addressed and approved by you during hiring, please abstain from doing it. So, the context here is, with my experience, freshers are just excited to work, learn something new, emotionally invested, easy to get manipulated. So, these cats know how to play with you. I have been in this state where I was scared for months, lived under constant pressure and anxiety. But why not? But so shall these giants be. We need to make ourselves so aware and so strong, but about our rights, that these people don't have an audacity to do anything uncertain with you. If you need them, they need you too.